Hi, it's me, Paula, the math tutor. In this video, we're going to talk about mode and median of a discrete random variable. For that, first we are going to define what mode and median are, and then we're going to analyze an example about a physics class. Let's begin. When working with random variables, there are some numbers that give us an overall summary of how the variable behaves, and two of them are the mode and the median. The mode and the median give us a result that kind of summarizes how the variable behaves overall. For the mode is the most common result of a random variable. If we have all the possible outcomes, all the values of a random variable, the mode is the one that repeats the most. And the median is the result that lands exactly at the 50th percentile. What do we mean with this? If you put all the possible values of your random variable in order, the median is the one that lands exactly in the middle. One way of finding the median of a random variable is what you can do is you can put all the values in order and then start adding the probabilities of each happening. Let's say you add all the probabilities for the first value, the second value, up until the value number j. If you get 0.5, then you know that j is going to be your median. Let's put these concepts in practice and analyze an example. This is going to be about a physics class. In this class, we have two teachers, Mr. Bohr and Mr. Planck. And Mr. Bohr and Mr. Planck both teach IB Physics in Los Alamos Academy. These tables show the score distributions for Mr. Bohr's, let's name him B, and Mr. Planck, let's name him P. So we have all the results that Mr. Planck's and Mr. Bohr's students got. The results of IB Physics go from 1 to 7, and we have the proportions, so we have the probabilities. For all their students, we know what proportion of them got a 1, got a 2, got a 3, etc. The information here is summarized. We don't have each student that got a 1, a 2, and a 3. What we have is the proportion of each of the numbers. And imagine you're a student, you're about to take IB Physics and you want to know which students did better, with Mr. Planck or with Mr. Bohr. Maybe the mode and the median could be useful for this, to make this decision. Which one gives you the better odds of getting a higher grade? Let's find then the mode and the median. Let's start with Mr. Bohr. Well, if we look at the results for Mr. Bohr, 3 is the number that got the higher probability. The proportion of students that got a 3 is the highest one, meaning that 3 is the result that repeats the most here. So the mode for Mr. Bohr is 3. Now let's try to calculate the median. Imagine you put all the students in order. One by one, the ones that got a 1, then the ones that got a 2, then the ones that got a 3, and so on up until 7. If we just look at the probability of getting a 1, the result is 0.05. We're not near 0.5 yet. But if we add the probability of getting a 1 and the probability of getting a 2, we get 0.3. Still not there yet. If we add the probability of getting a 1, getting a 2, or getting a 3, now we got 0.7. We're over 0.5. This means that if I imagine all the students put in order, one of the ones that got a 3 is the one that lands in the middle of the list. So the median for Mr. Bohr's students is 3. Now let's go to Mr. Planck. Again, if we look at the table, the result that repeats the most is 3, because it has the highest probability. The proportion of students that got a 3 is the highest one in the scale, so 3 is also the mode for Mr. Planck. Now let's see the median. If we consider the probability of getting a 1, the proportion of students that got a 1, well, it's 0. No one got a 1. If we add the probability of getting a 1 and getting a 2, we get 0.04. The probability of getting a 1 plus the probability of a 2 plus the probability of a 3 is 0.4. the probability of getting a 1, getting a 2, getting a 3, or getting a 4, the sum of them, it's 0.44. And the probability of getting a 1, getting a 2, getting a 3, getting a 4, or getting a 5, the sum of all those probabilities, it's 0.72. So here we went over the 0.5, the 50th percentile. What this means is that if we put all the students in order, there's one of the ones that got a 5 that lands in the middle, that's exactly in the middle of the list. So the median of the results for Mr. Blank, it's 5. If you're wondering whose students did better, it actually depends on what you choose. If you choose to look at the mode, they actually did pretty much the same. But if you choose to look at the median, Mr. Blank's students did better. You can think about it this way. Half of the students of Mr. Blank got 5 or more. And this is it for this video. In the next one, we are going to talk about probability mass functions for discrete variables, of course. Bye bye!